praying na mabuksan po atin ang ating isipan at masunod po yung kanyang will sa ating buhay. I told you many times also na if I want to have more better life compared to Hong Kong, I will go outside. I will go. In my nature of my job, okay, pwede akong pumunta sa ibang bansa. May konting yabang. Punta ako sa ibang bansa. Ganun po, no, nakikita ko. Pagpunta ko sa ibang bansa, magiging successful ba ako? Maring hindi. Maring oo. O maring hindi yung will ni God. Kasi alam ko sa aking puso, God had brought me to Hong Kong. And God will only be the one who will say to me, you move out from Hong Kong. Mahirap kayang sumalungat sa gusto ni God. And you know that there are many stories in the Bible like Jonah. Sabi ni God, pumunta ka sa Nineveh, pero ayaw niya. Pumunta siya sa ibang lugar sa Europe. Pero hindi pa rin siya tinantanan ni God. Special delivery. Ginawa sa special delivery. Kinain ng malaking isda. Special delivery siya. Tama po? Mahirap sumalungat, kapatid, sa gusto ni God. And many times sumasalungat po tayo. Ito po ang last text po natin, and this will be the one that we should be doing in our life. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find it. Knock, and it will be open. Pangako po yan, no? Kailangan mo daw mag-ask at mabibigyan ka. Kailangan mo maghanap at matatagpuan mo. Kailangan mo kumatok para pagbuksan ka. Tingnan mo yung susunod na verse, no? For everyone who asks, receive. Pabira. Pangako po yan, no? Pag nag-ask ka, receive. And the one who seek, finds, mahanap. And the one who knock, it will be open. Ang problema kasi sa ating mga Kristiyano, we never ask. We never seek. And we never knock. Pero kung bang inihingi ng Panginoon, nag-ask ka ba? Nag-seek ka ba? Alam niyo yung ask verbally and seek may konting effort. Pero pag nagnanak ka na, meron ng criticality. I'm praying that all of us will knock the heart, the merciful heart of God. And as we close for today, kapatid, as we ready the candidates for the CLD, for the LSS, ito po ang nais po natin. As we ask for God, as we seek for God, as we knock for God, for the infilling of the Holy Spirit. And those who have experienced it, you pray that all of us will be filled by the Holy Spirit. Kaya pa ito ngayon.